What's going on, guys? Thank you for joining to another one of my tutorials here at Creative Worship Sounds. And what I want to show you today is a patch tutorial for the song called Monument by Gateway. This was another patch request. Now, if you have never done a patch request from my website, you can always go there and I have a section where you can do a request, fill out the form. And once you have completed that, then we can process this for you. But I don't want to take too much of your time, so we're just gonna go ahead and get right into this patch. What I'm going to show you is the 5 different layers that we have throughout the keyboard. The first sound that I want to show you is going to be the intro. As you can see on the layer right here to the right of the concert, it's going to be on this section here. So for that intro where it gets the arpeggiated guitar with the banjo. Now the second part I want to show you, it's going to be here on this layer. This one here is like a dark pulsing synth. And this one's being chord trigger, so and if you heard that in the background, we have some shimmer pads as well. When the mod wheel is up, it's going to be halfway up is for the verse and all the way up is for the chorus. So this is halfway up, and then for the chorus, in this section when the mod wheel is down, you have a piano, and when you turn the mod wheel up, you're gonna get bass and piano. So both of these get played together when you go to the chorus and for the verses, so like this. Now right here there's another piano, and this is for the chorus, and this is how that goes. Now here in this section, this is kind of something I added a little extra, so if you want to play with it, you can add it for like texture throughout the song and stuff like that. Something like that. Alright, so we're just gonna go ahead and play the patch. I'm gonna start from the intro, go into the verse, and then I'm gonna go to the chorus, and then I'm gonna go into like an instrumental, and that'll be the end of the tutorial. So here we go.